Welcome to our Sweet Birds collection, where every birdie is welcome. Reminders of new beginnings, hope and joy, the spiritual significance of the cardinal, bluebird, and other birds is only part of the reason that birds bring us so much enjoyment. Beautiful color, uplifting song, and charming character make us naturally feel happy when we are around them. A timeless and classic best-selling theme year after year, featuring a tried, tested, and true garden icon. Whether we are looking to enhance our outdoor spaces or add nature's charm to our indoor spaces, introducing these beloved icons is a great way to do it. New this year is the added element of natural wood accents against the vibrant color palette of birds. Inspirational messages and multimedia finishes, which is a mix of unique and different materials, can also be seen throughout the look. As these pretty birds sing their lovely songs, enjoy the warmth and serenity they bring to any look. Sweet Birds is a seasonal staple that welcomes everyone home to eat home. Let's take a closer look.